Nobody tells you this tiny sensor can stop your tractor from starting. Your battery is good. Starter cranks. Fuel is there. But the tractor still won't start. Here's the problem most people miss. A failed crankshaft or position sensor can block the engine computer from sending fuel. So the tractor cranks, but never fires. Before replacing expensive parts, check wiring around the sensor and scan for error codes. Sometimes it's just a loose connection. This tiny sensor failure can cost thousands if misdiagnosed. If you run a tractor, subscribe for real repair fixes.